Hello, my favorite YouTube viewers, it's Nathan here. Alright, so today we'll be looking at a brand new robot. Astro, you need to get out of the picture here. This isn't for you. Alright, we're looking at the Narwal Freo. This little guy can mop, it can vacuum and mop. Or if you want to vacuum first, then mop, you can do that as well. Alright, so what's so cool about the Freo? Well, check it out. Look at those mopping pads. Yes, they can lift up a few millimeters, so this robot vacuum can transition over carpeting, rubber mats without having to take off the mopping pads. In this video, we're going to take a detailed look at the Narwal Freo, some of the unique features. Also, we'll take a look at the unboxing, see what's included, and finally, we'll give a quick history lesson. And before I begin, I'll have to let you know there's a link down below. So if you're interested in this guy or want to know more about this guy, check out their official website. They have some great information, and they probably have a deal or two since this is a pre-release. Alright, so let's talk about Narwal Freo. The Narwal Freo is a pretty interesting robot. It takes upon the successor, the Narwal T10, which in 2020 got the Innovation Award for the first self-cleaning robot. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. Now, what's more impressive is the dual mopping pads can lift up. Also, the extractor bar can lift up. Yes, did I say extractor bar? This little guy now has an extractor bar, where the previous generation just had a suction-only port. So, makes it a true raw vacuum. No longer do you have to lift the robot up to replace the mopping pad with the vacuum suction module. Now, you just leave it there and set and forget. Well, I do apologize for the cameraman. He's a little shaky here. It's the first time on the job. Alright, so the Narwal Freo is like a lot of these self-washing robots. They have a fresh water tank, a dirty water tank, and they're about 4 liters each.
This is nothing new. I've seen this before. Tell me when the Roblox 1 million comes out. Bye.
The Freo has a couple tricks up its sleeve. Has an included cleaning solution, so once you have it installed, you can tell it to electronically dispense it in the fresh water tank, so your floors smell nice and fresh. I believe the included scent is fresh basil and lemon. Kind of interesting combination, but definitely gives the floors a fresh look. Okay, so let's talk about some of the unique features. I will go in depth of what the robot looks like and how it's different from the previous generation. Now, the unique features is the fact that it can raise up its mopping pad. This allows the robot to transition over carpeting once those mopping pads are installed. Also, since there's a carpet sensor, you have the ability to either activate it, so actively avoids carpet while mopping, or you can disable it so it can go onto carpeting with those mopping pads installed. Now, a unique feature is Narwal states that if you're doing dry mopping, we'll apply about 7 Newton meters of pressure down on the floor. But if you do wet mopping, it'll apply about 12 Newton meters. Not sure how they achieve that. I'm pretty sure it's just the weight of the robot pressing down on the mopping pads. Okay, so let's just take a look at this LCD display. Looks like we have mop. We scroll over, we have just vacuum only, vacuum and mop, vacuum then mop, and Freo mode icons. So we can scroll down, there's a bunch of settings, and we can turn down the brightness just by sliding. Very, very cool. We have volume as well. Swipe up here.
Volume change finished. Volume change finished.
We can connect to our network.
Volume change finished.
So we can connect directly to here using the QR code, or we can do it manually. Cleaner. If we are using cleaner, we want to enable that. We can enable carpet cleaning. So yes, there's a sensor that can either avoid carpet, or it can lift up its mopping pad and go onto carpet. Very cool. Child lock. Do not disturb. We have smart drying, which I'll probably have on the max heating level. We have languages, which we can change right here off to the right there. We can rebuild a map. We have pair a new device. Firmware Help Center. Let's see what that is. Can we search? It just has you check the map. And that's it. Pretty cool. Oh, hey, thank you. Yes, a sword would be great. Stab at it. Ugh. It looks definitely different from the previous design, and it looks like we have a QR code to scan the app. I don't think I need that. I'm an expert. What? I got a side brush with 2 arms. Interesting. Not bad. Alright, so first impressions looks pretty cool. Says click, clean the whole house, press and hold to power on and off. So it looks like there's just a single button here, and it's interesting it's in the rear. You got your laser sensor. Here's a look at the container. We'll have this doodad, I'm not sure. So here's your filter. It looks like, can we open this up? Drops down from there. Get this out of the way. A little self-cleaning tool right here kind of just snaps in there. Very interesting. And then this slots in there. Your filter. Looks like we have the mopping pads, and yes, they do lift up. We have the cool hybrid combination brush that's purple. Very nice. And yes, the ends can be removed. Congratulations. I'm not sure if the last one did. Oh yeah, the last one didn't even have a brush roll. So good job, Narwal, for providing a brush roll this time. So yes, they're getting with the times. No more suction only for it. There's an actual brush roll. And we have a color-coded side brush. Yeah, get that out of the way. Upgrade LCD display that's colored now. Some more instructions right here. And we got a dirty water tank. Very nice. A fresh water tank. Opens up. I believe these are 2.5 liters. I have to double check. Maybe they're 4. I have to check out. So don't quote me on that. Hold on, I'll put something down below. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Looks like we have some goodies. You should see that. Look inside there. Looks like we have the cleaning unit, and this like bracket here comes out. That's how they strip the dirt off. Very nice. Alright, let's see what we have in this goodie bag. Narwhal cleaning solution, lemon and basil. Interesting. So we have a power cable. 3 feet, so good job. Some extra filters for the water tank. And that's it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this guy charged up, and let's see what this Narwal Freo can do. So give me a few seconds here. Hold on. Wow, there's like a quick start gun. That's pretty cool. Kind of tell you how to start this thing up. Alright, so it looks like we need this much space.
Why are you helping this guy out? You know he's gonna replace you after he gets a newer, better model. So just warning ya.
Astro, come here. Well, robots come in all shapes, sizes, and forms, and they do different functions. But the Narwal Freo does everything it needs to do. It can clean, it can mop, has the self-cleaning features, and doesn't offer a lot of the extra features like optical avoidance, the front-facing camera that you may have seen on other models. So, if you don't need those features, I think the Narwal should be a good option. Okay, so let's go ahead and wrap up this video. I know we're almost at the 10-minute mark. Usually that's a sweet spot before everyone just clicks off and falls asleep. Okay, so I want to personally thank each and every one of you. You guys are awesome. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe because I got a lot of cool robot vacuums and other cool robot products. Now, I will continue evaluating the Narwal Freo, but overall, this is a pretty cool roll-up vacuum out of the gate. I'll check out their software and see how well it holds up over time. Now, in a nutshell, if you're looking for a roll-up vacuum that can self-clean, also has the ability to pick up dirt and debris, I think the Narwal Freo should be a great option. Now, keep in mind, over time, software updates should vastly improve this, and I hope that they can improve some features in the dock. Maybe be able to start the robot directly from the dock to go to a specific area. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great rest of the day. Stick around. I will evaluate the Narwal Freo and give you another video down the road. Alright, see you later.